A bird that sounds like a chainsaw? It's real, and it's wild. Stick around to hear why. Deep in Australia's rainforests, a bird belts out a song that stops hikers in their tracks. Meet the superb lyrebird, a feathered mimic that can copy anything, even chainsaws. Lyrebirds have vocal muscles so flexible they can imitate natural sounds, like waterfalls, and human noises, like car alarms or construction tools. Males use these skills to impress females, showing off their sound-mixing talent. Picture this. A lyrebird named Leo struts through the forest. He mimics a kookaburra's laugh, then switches to a chainsaw's roar, startling a nearby hiker. It's like a one-bird sound studio. Why mimic chainsaws? Lyrebirds live near human activity, so they pick up modern sounds. Scientists say this shows how adaptable they are, but it also warns us about noise pollution affecting wildlife. Fun fact, lyrebirds can mimic up to 20 species at once, weaving them into a single song. Their performances can last 20 minutes, like a rainforest concert. These birds prove nature's full of surprises, turning everyday sounds into art. Amazed by the chainsaw bird? Comment below, hit like, and share this with your nature-loving friends.